So this is where I get your wings. So I'm here at Legends in Fredericksburg. Sarah's favorite restaurant. She's never been here though. She adores their wings. So I made arrangements so she can actually come now and eat them fresh from the grill. So, and, oh look, there's a little spider on your head. What the hell is that? So to be continued, we're going to be placing an order here, getting some water for Sarah. I'm going to be drinking myself a nice cold tall beer. Let me tell you now. Only one little one though, because I got to drive. Legends, Fredericksburg. Well, it just got better. Part 2, Sarah's water just got here. And I just got a nice short little beer while I wait for my triple cooked wings at Legends. Oh, Sarah's in for a treat. Oh, she's gonna have some of her water, guys. Oh, maybe not. Alright, she'll definitely have some of my beer, I'm sure. I wonder if you have to be a certain age. Here, you want some beer? Want some beer? Want some beer? To be continued. Waiting for our food. 18 minutes. Triple cooked wings take 18 minutes. But let me just tell you something special about triple cooked wings, ladies and gentlemen. I guess depending on where you get them triple cooked, because everybody's timer is different. But here at Legends, triple cooked, you can take them home and the next morning right out of the fridge, they're still crispy. You eat them cold. Crispy cold wings, you won't even believe how great they are. Uh-oh, it's 3:16. Everybody knows what that means. They said she has to wear a mask if we're gonna go in though. Hold on. Come here, babe. Maybe not. Good, isn't it? No, it's hard to get her attention when she's eating a Legends wing. Oh, Sarah's loving the wings. Well, we're done eating at Legends. It was really good. We'll be back. We will be back. Next time we'll bring some friends. Right, Sarah? Right?